Facebook is monitoring all your phone activities. That is why anytime you create pages, they will block it for you. Maybe after 1 month, maybe after 3 weeks, maybe after 2 months, 3 months. That is the reason they always block it for you guys. In this video, guys, this video is very, very important. I want to teach you how to make your Facebook profile. I'm not talking of your page, your profile, because that is where all the problem is coming from. Your profile is strong in a way that they will not be able to monitor your phone activities again, to be able to disable your pages. Guys, this video is very, very important. It's very, very important. Share it for so many people to benefit from this. Don't keep it for yourself alone, because many people chat me and say, after three months they will disable my page. After 2 months they will disable my page. Guys, make your Facebook profile strong today. You will never encounter that kind of problem again. Share this video. If you like this video, if this video is good enough, comment interesting in my comment section and share it for others to benefit. Let's go. Let me take you and show you. Click on your Facebook, Facebook profile.
So I wanted to tell you something really exciting. I partnered.
Your Facebook profile, not your page, guys. Don't come and say, my own is not working. Not your page. This, you are doing this in your Facebook profile. Then click that 3 line by your right hand side. Go to settings and privacy. Then see settings here. Just that setting will pump up. You click on settings. You click on this account center. When you get to your account center, you see your information and permissions. Just click on it. You see where they say your activity of Meta Technologies. You click on it. Then look at where they say recent activity. Guys, if I click on this recent activity right now, all the pages I've entered today, all things I've done today with my phone, this is where everything will show. Meaning they are monitoring everything I'm doing with my phone, guys. Meaning they are monitoring it. So what I want you to do, just click on it. Just click on it and clear it. I don't want to open it, but just click on your own. If you click it, it will open. You clear it, delete everything you are seeing there. Just delete it off. Then you come down to where you see manage future activity. Click on manage future activity. Then guys, you see this disconnect future activity. You see this connect future activity. Put it on this disconnect future activity, guys. Put it on disconnect future activity. When you put it on this disconnect future activity, they will not be able to monitor anything again you do on your phone. They will not be able to see anything again. And your profile will be stronger to hold your pages, guys. Your page will not be disabled again. So if you find this useful, share it for others to benefit and comment interesting in my comment section. Thank you, guys. So I click on it. Disconnect future activities. It's done, guys. It's done. That's how you do it. Share this video for others to benefit.